Seagull, you didn't notice my sub feels bad, man. I'm sorry. I don't have a second monitor. I can't even read it if I want to play the game. I'm sorry.
Okay, 갑시다. Let's go.
Seagull, play Genji. Actually, Genji I don't think is that great for solo queue half the time. If people like overfocus you, and like people will focus the crap out of me if I'm playing Genji and have like a Genji or a Winston follow me around permanently, which really is not very fun or realistic in like tournament play either a lot of the time. Oh, who's that? Who's over there? The hell? I see you, Genji. Oh, you got his Zarya shield. Oh, I got his Zarya shield. Okay, he missed his jump. He's dead. Who died to a... Okay. I should get up top. Just real quick. Oh, they're nanoing in. Let's see what we got. More worried about where the Genji is right now. Oh, he's dead? The fuck? Okay. Where is Lucio? I heard him dancing. What the hell? He's up top!
Dynamite 1 HP. Okay. Okay. I'm already on.
Okay. That Zarya wants the combo. He's just spamming Z. I can feel it in his bones. They should do it. Oh yeah, through the ground, buddy, through the ground. Okay, we only got one. That's actually okay though. It's not that good, but one kill. A kill's a kill, yeah. Shit, I just put a Sonic on myself. Now they have wall hex. What do I do? Later, dude. Fucking Mando dominated that guy with the Reinhardt stun. NA is kill, care, ult, new mic, PogChamp, we're back, boys. Wait, what? Did my stream go down or something? No, he got Lucy ulted! Wait, we're okay, we're okay. Okay, we're not okay anymore. Oh wait, we're okay, we're okay. Get eaten, bro! You dodged the scatter, I like it. Oh no! No, 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 don't one-shot combo me, Genji. Don't do it. You can actually gank that guy, I think. Is he going on? Didn't hit him. This Ana's so good. Oh shit, let's Lunatic High's Ana. He's like a really, really good Ana, like one of the best.
Nice.
Well, that was close. Oh no, we're goners. Oh, nice. Oh no! I was so. If I hit one more arrow anytime in that transition phase, I would have had Dragon. We could wipe the whole team right there. That's funny.
Oh my god.
I will not be defeated so easily.
네. 네, 볼스하고 있습니다.
Wait. Who's over here? They have no one up top? What the hell? This feels like I'm getting, like, baited. Where's their dragon in front of us really fast? I'm not sure who's up top across on the other side, but that's kind of what I'm worried about. Cool, just killed a teammate by flicking that guy beyond space and time. It was actually going to be a headshot too. My bad, team. Okay, let's go Reaper and win the game. Oh my god. So many moon emotes in chat. Wait. Even I'm a moon sub though. It's true.
My ultimate is ready. My ultimate is charging. My ultimate is charging.
Is he gonna boost me? Let's see. Then we need to push cart first. See, these guys just know instinctively. It's so cool. This cart wasn't to bridge yet, so it's like even if you push bridge, you have to back up. I actually can't even see him. Where's he going? They don't know my health yet, so it's time to leave. Did I make it?
Get in there.
Is they it? Escorting the payload.
Cool. What? Ariana killed him. Time to roll in. Who's on cart? Oh no, it's we're good.
Hold up.
And is dead. I don't need to push anymore.
I'm going for that torbjorn.
I think we're actually okay.
You're powered up. Get in there.
How did that kill me that fast? That I just peeked it for the first time, didn't I?
I'm going for that torbjorn.
Wasn't I boosted too? Wait, what? He didn't even full walk. I guess maybe I took the shot from someone else that was already getting full walks behind me. Because you can see that he was not even close to fully locked on his screen either, which is really weird. Cool. That actually just... they were actually all gonna die. He just used the flex. He wasn't pointing at me. And that guy came around the corner from behind LOS. Why throwing the game with that? We'll see. Seagull, there's a target behind you that killed you? Yeah, that really sucks. He would have died to that for sure.
Get in there.
Ana TP. Ana 1 HP.
I should have just kept running straight forward to commit to Lucio, one or the other.
I'm going for that torbjorn.
I don't think I didn't want to play Reaper anymore when it drops less than 100 frames though.
Nice.
Repositioning.
Fire at will.
Are they owning without me? I think they are. Good time. It's okay, I got carried.
밥 이거 맞나? 0.03m인데?
Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses.
Is it time? I'm so tempted.
뭐하지? 로도 갈까? 나
I'm doing it.
라인 연습해야겠다.
Play Mei? Okay, if you actually want to carry in solo queue, Mei and Zarya are like the easiest two things. And Ana. Ana, Mei, Zarya, Genji. I think all of those are so easy to carry with solo queue. Genji to some extent can... I feel like if people focus you like super hard though as Genji, you actually are like capped as what you can do, but... If you have like an Ana that boosts you, it still doesn't matter. Seagull, who are the people you're queued with? It's Lunatic High, one of the best teams in Korea.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
아다 떨어졌어.
Else out there. I'll get us something.
Seagull, when you go to BlueScon, will I fly back home tomorrow? And then I think the day after I get home, I fly to BlizzCon for BlizzCon stuff, because I think I have to be there a week early. I'll be there for 2 weeks. I think my flight is tomorrow at 6 p.m., which is why I'm going to stream all night, because it's 3 a.m. here. What's they freaking out about? Jesus. Let's go. Got him. Fast tire is so nice. What the fuck? No, he dropped the shield, we're all dead! GG. Wait, I almost killed the Lucio? So they're all getting trapped? They're all dying?
Nanoboost is charged. Hello. My ultimate is almost ready. My sound barrier is almost ready.
Stop the payload. Wait. I'm feeling a fast tire! Poor guy. Poor guy, man.
자리야 공 있어요. 저걸 뭐라고 하죠 영어로? 에너미 자리야 울트로.
It's fucking go time. Fast casting tire is overpowered.
자리야.
Has it hit the ground yet? Guess not.
아 라인.
Seagull, where's Sombra?
My ultimate is almost ready.
Actually don't know. It was actually pretty close though. He almost got that ult off, just travel time. Good luck, team. Time for me to run. Wait for it. Boom! Don't boop him out of my grenades, bro! There we go.
Finals 3-0. Victory. Play of the match.
We did so much better as Junkrat than we did anything else.
네.
Oh my god. He never even got to cast his ult. He died before he hit the ground.